Welcome back to Rugged Made. I'm Jared. Jake from Dude Ranch DIY visited us recently. I hope you've enjoyed the videos from that visit. If you haven't seen them yet, be sure to check them out. They're up on both of our YouTube channels. In honor of Jake's visit, we've been running a giveaway. The prize is this slip-on six-way blade. I'll hand things off to Jake to announce the lucky winner, who is selected from among the viewers who subscribe to both the Rugged Made and the Dude Ranch DIY YouTube channels.
Hey everybody, I'm Jake from Dude Ranch DIY. I had a great time visiting up with the guys from Rugged Made, as I'm sure you can see from those first two videos that we released. Be sure to stay tuned for more, because there will be some more videos from my visit up there. We had a bunch of people enter the six-way wedge giveaway, so we're very thankful for that. In order to be entered, you had to subscribe both to my channel and the Rugged Made channel, as well as comment Rugged Made in all capitals on either one of the videos. We had a bunch of entries, like I said, so without much further ado, I'm now going to announce the winner of the Rugged Made Six-Way Wedge. So, little drum roll, please. The winner is Justin Blizzard. Congratulations, Justin. I hope this wedge helps you out with your firewood splitting endeavors and makes you a lot of great firewood for this upcoming season. We will be reaching out to you in one way or another to figure out all of the shipping details and stuff and to get you that wedge, buddy. So thanks so much for entering, to all those that entered. And now I'm going to pass it back off to Jared.
We have more videos from Jake's visit coming out soon, and we'll be running another giveaway in November, so stay tuned. Well, the chill is in the air, winter is just around the corner, and fuel prices are creeping back up, so get out there and split some firewood. On behalf of Dude Ranch DIY and everyone here at Rugged Made, thanks for watching.